My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the site Disturbmachine.xyz. In fact, these pop-ups are the example of the typical online scam that tries to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Pop-ups by Disturbmachine.xyz may tell you a lot of faulty messages, mentioning that your PC is unprotected and that it is exposed to viruses and other malware. But in reality, this information is totally faulty and deceptive. You should not trust it. The real mission of these scary pop-ups by Disturbmachine.xyz is to force you into downloading some potentially unwanted software. It may be totally different from the one that is initially advertised. In fact, you may be forced to download some malicious programs, so please be very careful. Do not ever install anything that is promoted through these pop-ups by Disturbmachine.xyz. First thing you should do is to carefully research the control panel of your computer. Some of these pop-ups may be the trace of some adware in your computer. It could be that the adware was mistakenly installed after you have installed some free software, which could be also integrated with some other adware type applications. But sometimes it might happen that visually the computer is free of any suspicious programs. Still, there may be some strange browser activities, numerous pop-ups attacking your screen, things like that. I strongly advise that you research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green button, install the software, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.